Define the node from implementing the queue using single linked list. First time defining the node. This is similar as previous. Each node contain what? One data part, integer data part. Okay, then your struct node star link. Okay, next two part is there, data and link part. Then what happen? In outside I am defining a pointer struct node. What? Front, star front. Okay, then struct node star rear. Okay, two pointer I am defining because in the queue we require two pointer, one from the deletion, front is for deletion and here from the insertion. So this is your structure, contain data and link, and these two global pointer you have to declare, and here also you have to initialize null. Okay, if you initialize here it okay, or otherwise you are initializing the main function, it is also okay. So here I am initialize null, means initially the queue is empty. Suppose then algorithm insert. Okay, insert will be take a parameter num value you have to create it. Okay, then what is the step 1? It is similar as dynamically you have to create it a list. Dynamically you have to create a node, struct node star new node, and new node equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. Next step 2 equal to what? We have to check for the overflow from the insertion. Then new node equal to null, print overflow, that is from system overflow. Next, what is step 3? We have to insert new node is already created. Suppose new node is already created. Okay, new node, suppose the address is 1000. Okay, the pointer is new node. The pointer is new node, will be store the address of this. Okay, and node having two part, data part and your link part. So then next step 3 what is? In the step 3 we have to store the data first. So how to access this data part? Using the pointer new node, that is your new node data. Then assign what? Num will be passed in the, here you will num will be passed. So I am assigning num. Suppose num here you have to collecting, it is 10. Okay, collecting it is 10. Next what happen? Next we have to store the link. We have to create the node, store the data part, and link part will be stored as it is first node. So what happen? We have to store what? New node link equal to null. Okay, it is similar as the insertion at the end of the linked list. Okay, so end of the end node, or you have to create it here first. So what is the link part will be null. Okay, this node is completely created. Then step 5, if your queue is empty, okay, that is check for the special case. If your queue is empty, that means this is a first node. Then what happen? If your queue is empty, then what is the condition is queue empty? If your front or rear both are null. If your rear equal to null, okay, and front equal to null. If it is empty, if your queue is empty, no node is present, the initialize as front equal to null and rear equal to null. That means both are initialized to null. So what happen? So here rear is assigned to new node and front is also assigned to new node. Okay, if both are null, then what happen? The new node is created 10. Okay, so address suppose this, and this is your link. Then your rear is assigned to new node. So rear, suppose rear is assigned to new node, or rear will be store the address there, and front also assign this. Okay, both are assigned to the node. So whenever it is null, rear equal to new node and front equal to new node. Otherwise, else what happen? If there is node are present or rear no, rear equal to null or front equal to null, it not satisfy. That means if it contains some number of nodes, okay, if a link contains some number of nodes, then what happen? Else condition. Okay, so this is the first condition when rear equal to null and front equal to null, that is no node is present, then rear equal to new node or front equal to new node, single node is created and rear will be assigned this and front will be assigned this. Okay, if it is null. Else, if more number of node are present, suppose a single node is present, after that if you insert, that what happen? I am assigning a ptr here, pointer, already pointer is declared, that is stock node type, and ptr equal to rear. Okay, so ptr is here, what ptr will be stored? 1000. What will rear will be stored? Then ptr will be stored, ptr also pointing to this node. Okay, ptr also pointing to this node. Then what happen? We have to assign ptr, then here write what? Ptr link equal to new node. So what is the statement tell? Okay, suppose this condition is not satisfied, else will satisfy. Here ptr equal to rear. Then whenever you else condition is satisfied, that means we already created a new node. Already a new node is created. Okay, for inserting, already creating a new node. Suppose a new node is created. This is your new node. Okay, new node pointing to this. Then what happened? This is your, suppose this is your null. So ptr is here. Then ptr link equal to new node. What is the ptr here? What is the link here? Then link is assigned. What is the new node? Suppose new node address is 2000. So ptr link will be changes what? 2000. That means this will be established. This link will be established. Okay, ptr link equal to new node. Then rear equal to new node. Then rear value will be updated to new node. Okay. Then the rear value will be updated to new node. That means rear will now store 2000 or pointing to this node. Okay, clear? So this is your null. Okay, then whenever we add another node, insert another node, suppose you insert another node in this situation. Okay, in this situation we have to insert another node. Then what happen? First what happen? So first what happen is check the null overflow condition. Then new node is created, new node data will be stored, and new node link will be null will be stored. So next new node will be created. This new node will be deleted and another new node will be created, 30 suppose. New node data will be stored and new node link will be stored. Then the condition is checked. If rear or front null means empty, it is not empty. That next what happen? Else condition will be execute. So that ptr equal to rear. So ptr is assigned now here. ptr is assigned now here. Okay, ptr is assigned now. Then ptr link equal to new node. What is ptr here? What is link here? Then it assigned what? New node. Suppose new node equal to 3000. This will be assigned this. That means a link will be established. Okay, then rear equal to new node. That means the rear will be updated to new node. So rear equal to updated to 3000. Okay, now rear will be changes. Then this rear will be changes. Similarly, whenever you update one by one node, you have to see, you have to add at the last of the linked list, and the following algorithm will be work. Okay, this is your algorithm for what? Insertion of a linked list, or that is insertion of a queue.